Hey everyone, this is Aisha with Review Pronto, and today we're going to be talking about Now Solutions Sweet Almond Oil 100% Pure Moisturizing Oil. Now, you want to talk about moisturizing? You use this and your skin will show you a difference. Again, not a nutritionist, not a beauty guru, I'm just a mom that likes to get out the door at a certain time. And one of my favorite things to do is after I give my son a shower or he takes a bath, before I dry him off, putting this on his skin definitely increases the moisture in his skin, and it lasts throughout the day. And it's a very light oil. It's not heavy at all. It's not like coconut oil. Can you see that? Just a few drops. It's not like coconut oil where it reacts to the cold and the heat, because sometimes that's annoying about coconut oil is you're ready to use it and you gotta, work it till it's warm. But once it comes in contact with your skin, it's good. This is, it's just a really good oil. I know it looks greasy now, but I really like using it right after I come out the shower. It gets on your skin and then it stays on your skin. And just look. It really makes your skin soft. And like I said, you don't need a lot. Several drops will do you good for your hands and, of course, your face. The other use I like for it especially is because it's a thin oil and because it's, I don't want to say it coats it, but it's not as thin as, not as thin as a jojoba oil or coconut oil. Coconut oil tends to absorb really fast, really quickly, and it's just really light. This is a little thicker than that, but it's still thin enough to where, yes, I need some more, okay. But like I said, it lasts you. So because it's a little bit thicker than coconut oil, it goes on and, you can see it on. So I like to use it at the end of the day. I do, a full beat. So I'm wearing all the makeup I own almost. I like to take my lashes off and I put a bunch of that into my hand. I rub it together and I just massage all the makeup off my face. I'm not going to do it now because I just put my makeup on. Okay. But it's really good for that. So I know there's days where I just grab, some makeup remover wipe and I just handle it. But even if you add this to a makeup remover wipe, it just, as it's wiping and loosening up all that makeup, all that powder, all that cream, all that stuff that you have on your face that you're really done with at the end of the day, it loosens it up and then you can just wipe it off. But if you want to go a step further, okay, I got all the tea for you now. At the end of the day, the last time you go to the bathroom, that's when I like to do it, because I'm not getting back up again. Once I put my PJs on and I'm in the bed, I'm not getting up. It's just not happening. So the last time I go to the bathroom, I grab some of this, I put a glob of it in my hand, I massage my face, and then I get a paper towel or one of my microfiber cloths, and I use really hot water, as hot as I can handle it. And I get that nice and hot, and then I just wipe my face clear. And that is the equivalent to me of, a massage and a nice steam treatment, because it feels so good to have that moisturizer just warmed on your face. And then, you're cleaning away your makeup. And of course you can wash your face with your cleansers and stuff afterwards, but all that makeup gets removed, okay? Because it's oil, it just sops up all that makeup and just holds it. And then when you wipe it away, it's just gone. And then the oil itself seeps into your skin and just makes it feel healthy. I hope that's not confusing. Like, it's cleaning and moisturizing at the same time. I know. Try it out. Believe me, you will feel like, oh, I just did a little spa thing. And it doesn't take that long, which is my favorite thing. Is I'm not sitting in the bathroom, sitting there with the steamer and then, doing the moisturizer. It's like an all-in-one. So that's what I really like using it for. I'm running low, but I ain't been washing my face that well. I'll be honest with you. But I'm gonna get back to it. And you guys are gonna see, like, I was going places, after I'd done this, over the span of the week, and people are like, are you pregnant? I don't. And I said, no, I just use more oil on my face. And they're like, oh, you're glowing. We're gonna see another baby. I said, if y'all don't get out my face and start using some sweet almond oil, okay? So I hope you found that video enjoyable and interesting. And as always, until next time.